This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Walthall. Don't miss this third-floor condominium, which is centrally located just outside of Newtown, minutes from Colonial Williamsburg and the College of William and Mary. Excellent starter home or investment property. A spacious floor plan offering 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, as well as a large living room, dining room, and galley-style kitchen. There have been many updates to the property, including LVP flooring, kitchen cabinets and light fixtures in the primary and second bedroom. Both bathrooms have new commodes, vanities, mirror and light fixtures. The exterior balcony provides a wooded view and has an added closet for additional storage. All kitchen appliances are new. Seller is offering a home warranty for the next owner's peace of mind. A community laundry room with app-controlled, coinless washer and dryers. Parking in Governor's Square is first come, first serve in the large paved parking lot. Come see all this condo has to offer before it's too late. October 14, 2024. For more information, review the details below.